Dori team starters nga muna tayo for the 18 and under division. Rizal muna, we have Tagorda, Ladica, Pillas, Perez, and Mendoza. Sa kabila naman sa San Juan, we have Nonato, How, Baldomero, Bonzalida, and Mejia. Naman Daluyong Jr. Michael Smith, or makikita pa natin dito sa Game 1 yung advantage ng may recovery. And as I was speaking, we have number 13, Mejia. How for 3. A bit short in that attempt. Great recovery by Mejia. Back-to-back scores. Finding that opening, Baldomero finds How. Gets that inside shot once again. Baldomero na pala sa tira, but now, fast break, Ladica. Unang puntos para sa Rizal. Lipid dyan para kay Ladica, but right now, so far so good for San Juan. Balik sa kanilang bola, great seal. How for 3. Early three-pointer, knocks down.
This again, unselfish basketball. He finds an opening just enough to not step on the line, and a 3 is knocked down para sa San Juan.
Sean.
Nitong San Juan, and Ladica's been the only silver lining. You gotta look out.
Speaking of Rajan Ladica, back to as we can see here on this replay, Rajan Ladica on the fast break finish. 9-0 runs suddenly. Kanina 11-2. Ngayon 9-0. 7 out now. Ball stolen. Great effort by Ladica. Tagorda to Mendoza. Great rejection by Mejia. Offensive rebound. Gets the bucket. Perez for the steal.
Mejia was gonna be a really big importance in this match. Catching that block, getting an offensive rebound. Kahit na hindi nangyari yung mga basket.
Thinks about the three-pointers. Riroma finds Tauber Jr. Great find and finish.
Great pass pa nung kanilang juniors days, and now it's here at the Junior MPBL.
Ladica way beyond the arc and gets the 3 for 3. A bit short in that attempt. Great recovery by Tauber. Almost getting the ball stolen. Gutierrez pulls up. Jumper is in. Gutierrez pulls up for 3. Almost getting it in. Ogada, an offensive rebound. Pulls up. Gets the bucket.
At sana naman ang galing yun dyan?
For Junior, Ugadan pulls up, misses 5 seconds. There was a foul in that last play.
Carter, because that was a miss, pero yung kita mo yung near 5-point lead, makikita mo sa laro that they're really trying to force their issues.
14. 2 for 2 for Andre Ugadan.
On the gas, and now they have a 7-point lead.
And the first quarter, 21-14 in favor of San Juan. 7-point lead ang San Juan. Nasa kanilang bola. Leroma to Gutierrez. So Tauber Jr. finds that opening and gets the bucket.
Natin yung high difference in terms of how they're guarding Rajan Ladica now. So it's up to the others. Gaya ni Tagorda to step up.
The rebound. Pillas fast break finish and it's in.
Finally, the first 2 points. We started this off at 14-21. That's been a 6-2 run na nanggaling sa kanila, but Gutierrez probably hearing that, he immediately responds.
Being guarded by Gutierrez. Attacks the paint and gets it in.
Wow.
Looking for that opening. Finds Yutuk. Basket and 1.
Roma immediately placed nitong si Mejia at the line, and there it goes again. Pointer, or should I say 4th, na nakuha nila. 3 from Ladica, 1 finally mula kay Vergara, and then How.
Umiinit na lalo ang ating bakbakan dito sa Glorieta Park here in Caloocan. They are in the finals because of this. What a shot! Back-to-back threes coming from Pillas, but right now San Juan, Sharma. Talking about the three-pointer, Sharma naman.
The streak, but it's the same scenario here, right? Vergara, or should I say Pillas, shoots a 3. Tapos sa kabila naman, it was Sharma.
Remaining.
I felt like Sean How was so surprised he was left so open during that time.
Pag-sit, challenge pa siya, but just like that, Pillas, 2 puntos. How, same spot, same shot, but different result this time. Knocks down a 3. This replay, what a shot by How beyond the arc.
Last possession here with 10 seconds in. Maybe not.
Gregorio! 3-point this time.
Up by 2.
That being said, out of the first half, 44-42 in favor of Rizal.
PBL teams because they're going up against them, and you know, from being a D-League star dito as a young teenager, now you're getting a lot more opportunities just like
We have a new player on the floor, Julian Fuentes for San Juan, looking to score. What a way to start. Still up by 2. Ladica pulls up for 3, misses, but the follow-up is
having 17.
17 apiece. Double digit para dito sa Rizal, pero itong slow scoring nga dito ang San Juan, but we still have plenty of time. Ugadan pulls up for another 3 and knocks it down this time. Almost 4 minutes na nakalipas. This is the third quarter. San Juan na ibalik ng isang kalamangan, pero ang bilis din naman binawi ni Rejan Ladica. Basket and 1.
Si Ladica, pound for pound fitness, foul counted, shot of the quarter. Kumbaga,
to tie the ball game at least or take back the lead. Gutierrez spins. Wala, but the follow-up is in, coming from Sharma.
again now starting to crash the glass a lot more. Sharma being the latest suspect. 2-point lead. A 3 has already been given nitong Rizal. 1 in this quarter. But Ladica
That's only needed. Back to you sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Danay. Hard work and patience indeed. Kung ano nga ang
galing sa parehas na koponan. Now can House stop it?
You called it! Sean Howe knocks down net. And take a look at this replay. Sharma to Howe without any hesitations. Knocks down that three-pointer. Toreroma being guarded by Pilias. Taps the basket, gives it to Ugadan. Ugadan gets the basket, but he gets fouled in that last play.
He went up right away, but that's a great feed mula kay Reroma. Shot mula kay Ugadan for your pound-for-pound fitness. Foul tie this up.
A minute and a half remaining in the third quarter. What a shot by Ace Baldomero.
We're bound to see more of it later on. Oh, good find.
What a fake and the finish. Once again, Axel Mendoza. The lead as we take a look at this replay. Tagorda finds Axel Mendoza faking and taking that. Sabi mo nga, na-mention mo na, that's not how Coach Jun Cuevas wants to see it. But Pilias is here to save the day for Rizal. Shot too strong. Will that count for Tagorda?
I believe that should go in.
Yeah.
Para dito sa Rizal, Tagorda was even asking for it nung tinira or binitaw nila yon. Mission failed successfully. Kasi, Pilias still had 3 seconds. He still had an opportunity to give it to Tagorda. But Fate was just waiting on Zeke. And Tagorda... Oh. I wonder if there's enough time. We have to run it back to see it
again.
Yeah. Okay.
Clock is winding down. 1 second.
Oh, it's like, sa akin na. No. Wait!
A very rare moment, Hans.
Yeah.
Na halos 0-0-0 na talaga.
Like former frame, hawak niya pa. Too close. No basket.
Okay, that will not count as
Quarters with them separated by a single point.
that's what we're about to find out. End of the third quarter, 64-63 in favor of San Juan.
Minsan yan yung masakit pag masyado kang malaki. Malaki yung
Ay,
paa.
haba ng legs.
Pero yun naman ang advantage pag malaki ka.
Mendoza, defensive rebound. Tagorda pulls up mid-range, gets it in.
That's 8 seconds or less. Tagorda had the steal and then he turned it over with Tober catching that. Pero at least, medyo
There to save this. San Juan, Ugadan gets that two-pointer. Great remaining. Gutierrez attacks the paint. Ugadan once again setting things up.
Jared Gutierrez getting so much attention, leaving Ugadan unguarded. Easy 2 points for
Mendoza, Twin Towers of Rizal. Howe to Sharma. Sharma pulls up. The jumper is in.
You see, but Tagorda has shown that he can perform not just in that possession. Oh my goodness!
Gutierrez once again for So far, so good for San Juan. Giving the 12-point lead. Gutierrez making it 14.
Range. Rizal can't seem to buy a bucket. Ladiga falls down. Gutierrez. There weren't a lot of turnovers when he's on the floor.
And just like that, Vergara knocks down a 3 for Rizal.
Already, they can't seem to find the best possible, way to attack itong Rizal. Meanwhile, first
Wouldn't fall for Rizal. San Juan, 15-point lead. Nonato being double-teamed. Loses that ball. Gets the ball back. Sean Howe for 3. A bit short, but Sharma to save the day.
different story with how dominating they were, led by this guy who was like a freight train landing down.
Strong. The Malesa. Right now, Ladiga still on the rush. There will be a foul called.
You want to show them that we're still going to be looking forward to this in game number 2 of 3 series. So there's some time for them to review these games. What exactly went wrong in this one as Ladiga converts on
More points before ending this game. Torres has the leather for San Juan with 7 seconds remaining, and they will call it a ball game. Congratulations, makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors, for bagging home the victory. Game number 1, best of 3 series, North Division Finals. Makabagong San Juan bagging home the victory. Final score 87-70.